My name is Martin Edström and I'm a photographer and journalist. I've been using Nikon for as long as I can remember. I inherited my grandfather's camera and I still use some of his lenses today, so I kind of grew up with Nikon. I've been working in the Himalayas for almost 10 years now. I first came there when I was really young, one of my first projects, documenting the story about waste and plastics. And it's been so interesting to follow this region for a long time. When I first came there were still a lot of tourists, but today this is a booming tourism destination with tens of thousands of people coming to see the Himalayas, see Mount Everest and these big mountains every year. This is a massive impact, of course, on what used to be tiny communities in the Himalayas. You have piles of plastic building up, huge waste problems, but you also see actual effects of climate change, where glaciers were much bigger just a decade ago. And now impacts of humanity can really be seen everywhere in these mountains. For this project I chose to bring the Nikon Z6, the Z7 and the 850. I was kind of afraid to go over to a mirrorless because it's a huge change from DSLR, but the Z7 has just impressed me in every way. It almost feels like you have an optical viewfinder and you have a better camera than ever before. A huge plus of using a mirrorless system is everything actually is smaller and you have less weight to carry. When we go on these extreme assignments to crazy places at high altitude, every gram counts. For this project in the Himalayas, my go-to lens was definitely the 24-70. It's the perfect lens for an expedition where you never know what's going to happen. It's small, you can always bring it, and you can adapt to any situation.